Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here, and I'm getting ready to go out to a birthday party, but before I do, I have to wrap my gift. But before I do that, I wanted to show you some fun gift wrap and greeting cards from the folks at Kush Kards. And before I do that, I just want to remind you all to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, if you've been following me for a while, you know I love the mainstreaming of marijuana culture, and nothing says mainstream like gift wrap and greeting cards that are themed with our favorite herb. The folks from Kush Cards have a whole line of great gift bags and also gift wrap, and I've got some here in their elegant gold and black color scheme. However, know that they do make these in lots of different colors, so you don't have to stay understated and elegant like the gold and black here. And let me open this up a little bit more so you can see the design. Just some nice little tissue paper emblazoned with gold marijuana leaves, as is the matching gift bag. So you can do some very elegant cannabis themed gift wrap with those. And maybe I'll come up with some designs for a later video. But they also have a great line of greeting cards. And I love these little greeting cards because they come with a built-in gift in the form of this little cigarette-style one-hitter pipe, which are kind of fun and discreet little pipes to take on the go. This is an all occasion greeting card, but they make them for lots of different occasions as well. So no matter what the occasion or no occasion at all, just anytime you want to make someone feel special, they've got a greeting card for it too. So check it out at kushkards.com. Cards is spelt with a K there, and there'll be a link in the comments below. But I love these gift wrapping greeting cards. They're so fun.